Hi everyone, my name is Deepak Kumar. Today I am going to discuss to fetch the value of from right to the left. Before that, uh, we are using the VLOOKUP to fetch the record from left to the right. But if we want to, if we are searching from the reverse side, like just we have an example that we have the table that is price category, subcategory, project manager, and employee ID. So we want the price. We want the price. Just give me a minute. Yeah, thank you. We want the price on the employee table, that is on the first column, and the employee ID is on the last column, that is here. So on the employee ID we need to find the price. So we have the three method for that. First is VLOOKUP, then we can fetch the through the sum ifs, we can fetch through the index match function also. So VLOOKUP is, how can we fetch through the VLOOKUP? As we know that in a VLOOKUP is used to look up a value in one column and return a value from another column in the same row. As just like that, if I am implementing the VLOOKUP here, this first is the lookup value. If my lookup value is employee ID, this is J67. Now it is asking for the table array. If you think about that, key lookup table array can't be moved from right to the left while we are implementing the VLOOKUP. So in that case, how can we do? For that, we will use the choose method, that is choose function, which we are using in this. So choose and give the curly braces, and curly braces will define your column index number. So I have kept this into a curly braces. Now I have given successfully a index number. Now comma, it is asking for the value. It is value 1, value 2, and value 3. We can pass as many values inside this choose function, but as per our requirement, the we have given the curly braces, the first one we need to define that column sequence number. So what is the column number? So we are giving the employee ID as a column 1, comma, the value t is again asking, so we will give the price as a column 2. So we have successfully given the two columns and bracket close, comma, it is asking the column index number. So we need to fetch the second column because price is on the second. So what we have selected, whatever the columns we have selected, so according to that the price is on the second column index number. So we can give the 2, and exact match, for the exact match we will give the 0 and hit enter. You will get the price of the employee ID is. Now drag this formula, and for the below records you will fetch the all the price INR of across all employee ID. So we have successfully find those values. Now come to the second point, that is our sum if. How can we do this in a sum if? So sum if, as we know that sum if is used to sum values based on multiple criteria. We have the two functions, that is sum if and sum ifs. So sum if is used for the single criteria, but sum ifs used for the multiple criteria. So how can we do through the sum ifs? So using the sum ifs, we will use the sum ifs. Sum ifs will ask you the uh, first argument is sum range. So sum range is price. So we have select the price, and criteria range 1. Criteria range 1 is our employee ID. So we have successfully selected that. Next, criteria 1. So criteria 1 is our employee ID. So we have selected that, and just drag your formula at the below. So you will find the price through the sum ifs. Now come to the last is our index match. How can we do through the index match? So we can through equal to index. First argument is asking for the array. So according to our data, our first array is price. We need to find the price, comma. Now we need to search the price according to their employee ID. So we will use the match function, and the match function first argument is asking to you for lookup value. Lookup value is our employee ID, comma, and lookup array. Lookup array is our in data is employee ID. So we will select the whole column of the employee ID, comma. Next argument is asking to which match type. What is the match type? So we want the exact match type. We will give the 0 and hit close and end. Then copy, paste, and drag your formula. You will get the all the answers. So we have all the values are same in each input. Thank you for watching this video.